What's up guys, it's me Packy from the house and welcome back to another ball review. This time we're doing sport shot and house shot with a little comparison to my Black Widow Ghost. So first I'm taking my 3D offset attack to the 43-foot sport shot at WSU. Let's go.
Yeah, start them off gross. Oh.
So we're currently 5 frames in, front 4, and then 6 spare. Right now, I'm thinking this ball is going to definitely be in a bag that my house shot is, and as this game goes on, if it continues to be a ball that I could also put in the sport shot, because it is very quick. It makes a sharp motion down lane, but the good news is the couple times that I've missed a little bit to the left, it's definitely picked up. I'm really liking what I'm seeing out of this brand new HK22 cover stock that's on this 3D offset, but I'll have to see how the rest of the game goes to give you guys a real opinion.
Let him flex his muscles.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm lighting it up right now. Putting a lot of pressure on myself to go ball on the house shot. I shouldn't have moved. I don't know why.
All right, so post game 1 with this 3D offset attack, 252, which is one of the higher scores that I've ever really bowled during one of these ball reviews on the sport shot. Again, described on buddiesproshop.com right here. It says, in the release of this HK22 cover stock, you'll notice rich, impressive colors with a cleaner and more responsive cover, which creates a larger area at the breakpoint, leading to higher scores, which is exactly what I'm seeing out of this ball. It hooks for a shiny pearl ball. It hooks a little earlier, and it stretches out the breakpoint, giving me a longer breakpoint and a wider breakpoint, giving me just a little more area of miss room. And when I miss, it still has a chance to strike. I'm not saying it strikes every time. I'm just saying it gives me a chance to strike. So for right now, 252 on a sport shot. It's gonna be, as you can see in the next 2 videos, definitely a cleaner and sharper shape than that Black Widow Ghost. But for right now, let's get back to North Rock lanes and bowl on the house shot and hopefully bowl a game above 252 so it can be in both bags and not just the sport shot bag for longer patterns.
We're here at North Rock Lane shooting my house shot part of this 2-part ball review where we're reviewing the 3D offset attack, and right now I'm liking it a little bit more than my Black Widow Ghost. It's a little cleaner, a little quicker. We'll see if that also translates over on this house shot, but until then, let's get to throwing these. Here we are. It's day number 40 of me trying to give 31 bowling balls away to you guys as of December 1st if we hit 90,000 subscribers. So make sure, click that subscribe button, and we'll give away one of these every single day for the month of December. Now let's get back to the video. Trip 6. We have a saying for that, ladies and gentlemen. Trip 6. Oh, that's so good. Oh my God, that's bad. So we're halfway, we got the front 5. I guess that's not really halfway.
Historians from England will say I am a liar.
But we're front 5 in with this 3D offset. Mine's laid out a little weaker, just pin above the bridge, very standard 65 by 5 by 60 layout for me. The Black Widow's definitely gonna be a lot slower, a lot earlier response, where this one is gonna be more of that like game 2, 3 in league, where I have to switch away from the slow ball, move in a little bit, and get a quicker response like this 3D offset's giving me. So hopefully a big back 5 frames here for me, and I can shoot above that 252. Inside, flush. Sometimes I'll just give it the elbow out and I don't want it. Like all of the highest sets I've ever had, it's not like, oh, big messenger, big messenger. It's like, oh, like you tripped a 6-pin and then you snapped a 7 out late, you didn't messenger the 7. Front 9 alert. Add cool YouTube effects that I haven't learned how to use yet.
Alert all commands.
Ah! What do you mean, uh-oh? Come on. Ah, that's a messenger, by the way.
No man threatens a messenger.
Ah! Apparently sometimes you should make moves off of bad shots because they're just gonna throw more bad shots, I guess. I don't know. The second one was better than the first one and it didn't messenger an 8-pin. Payeth. Anyways, 289 here at North Rock. Front 10, 9 spare. This ball's good on the house shot. I threw it last night. I threw it today for the ball video. This one's really good on the house shot, and apparently after bowling on that longer pattern at WSU, it's also good on the sports shot. So this ball is definitely gonna be in my bag. It might even replace my Defender Hybrid, where it's definitely a quicker piece and a little more versatile than my Black Widow Ghost, which doesn't really find its way out of my bag too often unless I know the pattern's long and saucy. This ball, definitely in addition to the bag, it's a must-have on house shots, and depending on the sport condition and the challenge, I'm gonna bring it there too. So that was my 3D offset attack review, and that was my 3D offset. 289, 252. Pretty good 2-game set if you ask me. Let's go figure out how to shoot 300.
And if you want to see more ball reviews just like this one, you can click the links right over here to check out more bowling ball reviews just like this.